Beautiful, elegant kitchen set. These stainless steel salt and pepper shakers help you add just the right touch of spice when cooking meals or at the table. Trendy Shaker Craftsmanship, a stunning brushed finish with black, screw-on lids and see-through glass bottoms. These pourers balance style and function effortlessly. Easy to identify and refill spices, the smart design lets you see how much sea salt or black pepper remains, while the twist-off tops let you refill them with less effort. Compact table size, at 4 tall and 4 ounces. By volume, these vintage salt pepper shakers look great on the kitchen counter, the dining room table, or by the barbecue grill. Satisfaction guaranteed. Every MITBAK salt and pepper shake set is designed for long-lasting durability. There aren't more important spices than salt and pepper. Essential to breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, you put these staples on pretty much everything. That's why we created MITBAK salt and pepper shakers that make adding each more fun and a little easier. The holes are just the right width to let you pour out spices more easily without making a mess or adding too much. The glass bottom is designed to help you know when it's time to refill your salt or pepper, while the twist-off top makes it easier to open them up, wipe them down, and then put fresh spices inside with less effort. Matching salt and pepper shakers, pair. Stainless steel craftsmanship. Clear glass bottoms. Food grade safe, BPA free. Hand washing recommended. Volume, 4 ounces, each. Height, 4. Satisfaction guaranteed. Top reviews from the United States. Practical, nice turquoise accent. Attractive turquoise accent in my turquoise-themed kitchen. Handy by stove while cooking. Easy to clean and fill. Thank you.